lifestyle at West 139th Street, New York. This student living was crafted with you in mind. Your new non-ensuite apartment is the epitome of elegance, featuring a spacious bed dressed in soft sheets and fluffy pillows to ensure dreamy nights. For every outfit planner or master organiser, a perfect closet awaits to hold your daily essentials. Crush every study session in your dedicated workspace. The right setup makes all the difference. Enjoy year-round comfort with in-unit air conditioning and binge your favourite shows on the smart TV with lightning-fast Wi-Fi. From on-site laundry to skip those long laundromat runs to weekly housekeeping for hygiene, everything you need is covered in your rent. Campuses like City College of New York and Columbia University are moments away. You can grab breakfast on the way and still be on time to class. Getting around New York is seamless with buses on St Nicholas Avenue and the 145th Street Metro nearby. Come, join the student community at West 139th Street via amberstudent.com.